Hello everyone, it's June 21st. Alright, June 21st. It's a long day today because I had 3 meetings. God, 3 meetings. Cannot do that much. I mean, every meeting feels like it drains my energy. So, after 3 meetings, and right now, 8 p.m., 8:20 p.m. right now, feels like the brain has shrunk in size. And also each meeting I have to talk a lot, so meeting as well. But hey, no excuses, right? No excuse. Has to get to it. Hopefully, after 2 difficult questions from yesterday and the day before yesterday, we're gonna get something easy. So I'm hoping we can knock it out immediately. Well, hold on. Oh, week 3. There you go. Pascal triangle. Are we just inputting Pascal triangle? Oh, that does not seem to be a difficult one. Oh, I even have a good animation for Pascal triangle. So what we are trying to do is give an integer, return the first number of rows of Pascal's triangle. The sum of 2 numbers directly above it. I mean, I'm not gonna call combination. Unbelievable. Come on, internet. Yeah, I don't know. The internet has been acting up lately. Alright, let's just do this. So basically, it's going to be recursion if you think about it. Not really. We don't need recursion. It's just a. No, it's not a recursion. It's not a recursion. It's just a loop, and every time we just it's an easy one, which fits me very well. I mean, it fits how I feel today very well. Tired. I honestly don't want to spend too much energy here. I'm dealing with a class this semester, which is very bad, and it's cloud computing. I don't like. I mean, I chose it. I thought it's what I thought it was. I thought the class would be teaching us practical skills, how to use the cloud, but it's kind of dry. Actually, it's very dry. And then I didn't do very well in my first homework, so I have to spend some time learning about that as well. Anyway, let's not talk about this. Let's talk about how we can trick the system by running the code in here. Right? That's what we're going to talk about. So what we're going to say is the total result, right? The total result. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So we say result is going to be this. And basically we say actually it's going to be 1, right? And when I say for this in range 30, so I'm going to go, actually no, it's going to be 29, it's the maximum 30, so we're only going to do 29 times. Each time we are going to, actually I think this is the start, 1 or 1, 1 is the start, and then it can start, so I'm going to say 1, or 1, 1, right, and then 28, each time we're going to say temp equals, start with this 1, right? And then we're going to say the previous row, the first 2 sum is going to be this, and the first 2 sum is going to be this, and eventually we're going to do 1, right? So we're going to say for I in range 0 to len, res minus 1, right? Len s minus 1, and we say temp dot append res minus 1 I plus res minus 1 plus 1, right? And then temp.append 1 again, and then res.append temp. So we run this, now we get so bad. Like what, $40? No, I pay $60 a month for my internet. And they give me this type of shenanigans. Unbelievable. Oh, we don't have this. Generate. Oh, and self. Forgot it has to be self.this. And this has to be num rows. I'm not prepared at all. Yeah, we pass. Okay. So this is a cheeky one. So we know there are only 30. So we do all 30. And every time we just need to call this, and then it shall be good. Yeah. Not much to say. Oh, we're very fast because we use the cheeky. So we use the cheeky method, right? So this is an easy question, and we solve it using a easy question using a cheeky method by pre-computing all 30 rows. We only need to do a splicing in the main function, in the splicing to return the result. I mean, what's the runtime? Sometimes ON. No, ON. Ooh, interesting. What's the runtime? I mean, we have to do n times, n rows, and each row, the numbers, I think, an increase, right? So 1 to 2, right? 2 becomes 3, 4, 5. So we add them together, that's ON squared. I think the runtime is ON tripled, because every time we run the entire thing, I think ON to the third. But because the n is so small, so it doesn't really matter. And we get 24 milliseconds. And a 95% ranking. Doesn't matter, I mean, this is a simple question. Solution, which one is this? I don't think I've done this before. It's got triangle 100 and so LeetCode 118. Easy question. Solution. Dynamic programming. Num rows squared. Oh, maybe ours is num rows squared as well? Num row squared. Yeah. Well, you have to go to number of rows. In each row, the value is increasing. I don't think it's ON squared. How is ON squared? How many overall loops? The outer loops run this, right? But for each iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop runs row num times. Therefore, the overall run is this. Num rows, yeah. But you have to also consider the outer row. I don't know. Why the runtime? I'm not sure. It says runtime's num rows squared. I think that's to the third. Right? Like writing it differently. num rows. Yeah, inside for range 1 to this. Oh, this is Owen's. Hold on, arrange num rows, right? And then we say none for this, so 0 or -1. Then for j in this one equals the previous, and append it. This does seem to be. Why do you say it's on to the third? Because I say with the on on the outside and inside each time we do. Oh shoot, it is. It's not times the inside. It's overall is a 1 plus 2 plus 3. Right, my bad. It's O into this. It's O squared. Yeah. My bad. That's my bad. All right, nothing else to see, right? Short and easy. Zip this plus answer plus 0. So this is trying to what? Trying to, oh, just put a 0 to it. Yep. Good. I can do a better. I can do a better job. Anyway, it's fine. Doesn't matter. All right, that's it. That's it for today. I'm trying to get a good night's sleep tonight. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, by the way, I also had my second COVID shot. So it's Moderna. So I'm expecting the next 2 or 3 days I'm going to be in a very miserable state. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. See you guys tomorrow.